So what can be done? How you can work with a person you do not like? Here are 4 options. Number 1, that is be work oriented. That means focus on the work issues. Try to identify that person's strengths and weakness, how this person works. Just focus everything, your energy on that person's work pattern. You need to know how that person works, how that person functions actually. You need to know the strengths and weakness of the person. Why? Because it's the workplace. This is the workplace which unites you. You have come together to work, not for creating friendship. So it does not matter whether that person does have some different kind of attitude or that person does not respect you. It totally should not matter, because this is a workplace. Everybody should not deserve to be your friend. Okay. Number two is like that, find a mutual corner to talk. Okay, find a mutual corner to talk, because whenever you will be doing the number 1, that means you will be work oriented and you will be identifying the strengths and weakness of that person. You will get some notion that okay, this person has a hobby like this person also does things like this. So you know what will happen if you find a mutual corner. So what will happen if you eventually meet, if you are stuck in a meeting room, or if you are stuck in a lift, or if you are if it just happens to be that you two are creating a program, or you two are having to work together for some moment and nobody is there, you can actually start conversation. Okay, be a good person. That means you need to know what is the mutual corner, what is the mutual liking of you and that person, so that if situation comes, you can start a conversation on that topic. Okay. Number 3, be genuine. That means be genuine. Whenever you will meet, whenever there will be an opportunity for you to make a favor, to do something for that person, just do this. Do not think twice, or do not think like that, okay, why should I help this person? This person does not talk to me that well. This person shows a lot of mood, and he or she is arrogant. I do not want to help that person. No. If you think that with your little minor gesture, that person can be benefited, just do that. And whenever you will be in some meeting, or whenever you will be in some group together, or get together, or hang out, try to be genuine. That means if you talk with that person in a very friendly manner, in a very limited way. You do not need to talk a lot with that person. Talk in a friendly manner, talk very limited, and then stop it. Then you focus with other person. This will give that person a very good reason to like you. Okay. And then number 4, never talk negative about that person with any other person. Just do not do this. Most of us just ruin our relationships because of this thing. We do not like somebody and we like somebody, and we go to the person we like and we start talking about the negative things about the person we do not like, and it really kills the relationships. And it is just never good thing, you know. We are human beings. Whenever we get some secrets about some other person, we just cannot digest it. We just want to throw it out. We want to create a scene. We want to see the madness among people. It is actually true. So whenever you feel like that you do not like some person, just keep it within yourself. Just try to digest it. Okay. Be genuine. Do not try to speak negative things about that person with another person. Try to find some mutual corner, so that if someday you guys are being together, you can start a conversation, and be work oriented. You do not need to be friends with that person. These are the 4 points. Okay, now moral of the story is that if you are a good person with a bad person, and if you continue to be a good person with the bad person will eventually one day be a good person. If that person does not recognize that you are a good person, that person at heart will definitely know that you are a good person, and this is your reward. Okay, life is short, life is too short for such enmity, for such clash, and for such toxic relationships. Just do your job, just spread love, just be positive, and just be work oriented with the person you do not like. Okay, if you like the thing, if you like my badness, if you like the mistakes I may have done, put a like, write some comments, so that I can know that my voice is reaching out to you. Okay, have a good life.